More importantly, I want to know what Harry thinks about his setup. He hasn't seen anything. He hasn't been in his room for 2 days while I was building it for him. So I'm gonna go grab him real quick and see what he thinks. Be right back.
Holy crap. God damn. Wow.
What do you think?
Oh man, that's insane. Holy, wow.
Yeah, kind of
That sounds sick.
spiffed out the desk here, put some collectibles on here. What do you think about the wall art?
Dude.
Across your wall.
Everything's really amazing.
Sweet, dude. Glad you like it.
Sick, yeah.
So let me go over the setup a bit. First up, the monitors. Not only did we upgrade your 720p monitor, but I hooked you up with 3 of them. These are the MSI Optics curved monitors, and you get quad HD resolution at 144 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and sRGB at 115%, so it's great for color sensitive work as well. The monitor aesthetics also fits in perfectly with the Venom theme. I decided to keep the stand because I think it looks cool, and besides, you have a lot of extra space on the desk. So the keyboard is the Vigor GK80. It's an RGB mechanical gaming keyboard with cherry MX red switches and a detachable wrist rest. There's a few things I like about this keyboard. First of all, it's built really well. The top plate is aluminum and it comes with these really nice metal keycaps. The dedicated multimedia buttons are also nice. Now, normally I'm against red accents on an RGB keyboard like this, but for this exact setup, it actually worked out because obviously I was going with an all black setup with some red accents. So the keyboard fits perfectly. So the mouse is also really cool. It's fully RGB, of course, but it's both wireless and wired. Oh, another cool thing about the mouse, it's modular. So you can actually swap out the parts or the top plate depending on what your comfort level is. So the box actually comes with the modular parts. So swap around and figure out what's more comfortable for you. Okay, now for audio, obviously I removed your speakers and I replaced your headset with the MSI GH70s. You already told me earlier you actually weren't using your speakers as much, so I don't think it's gonna make a big difference, but it is your setup. You can bring back the speakers if you want. It's all black anyway, so it's gonna fit in perfectly. The GH70s are very light and super comfy to wear. Go ahead and feel the ear cups. Tell me how soft they feel.
It's really soft. Feels like a baby's butt.
Yeah, and actually they come with replaceable ear cups. I don't know if you saw the box earlier, so if they get worn out, you can just swap them out and put the new ones on.
Sounds good.
All right, now the PC. This thing is a beast. It's a custom water-cooled PC using EK parts. It's rocking the 2700X, that's overclocked to 4.3 gigahertz, 16 gigs of RAM at 3000 megahertz, and the RX Vega 56. So the reason why I went with the Vega 56 is so you can play in quad HD resolution. Obviously, you gotta take advantage of the 2K resolution on your monitors. I don't want you gaming in 1080p anymore, so now it's a step up. So for storage, it has an M.2 SSD, 240 gigabytes of space. It has the operating system installed there. And you also have an additional 960 gigabyte of space on an SSD as well. The custom PSU shroud that says Venom along with that badass backplate was made by V1 Tech, and I think it really tied the whole PC together. The PC is being held up by a wooden plank, and I had some custom risers printed out that contributes to the Venom theme. But yeah, what do you think? How do they look?
So yeah, I like the attention to detail. There's a lot going on over here, which is really sick. And this custom 3D printed, right?
Yeah.
So yeah.
You like the tongue house that kind of sticking out?
Yeah.
Of course, I couldn't leave the walls alone, so I kind of added this dope looking 5-piece mural artwork over here, and also put some posters and another acrylic piece over there. Last but not least, the desk. I really like this desk. It's built really well with a large surface area, but the things I like most about it is that it comes with a net to hold all the cables. I feel like this desk was made just for triple monitor setups because there is literally a cutout in the back right behind each monitor, so it was great for cable management. Last but not least, if you haven't noticed already, this whole surface area is covered by a massive mouse pad, which not only protects your desk from getting scratches, obviously, but you no longer need another mouse pad. And I think you had an issue too with your previous mouse pad.
Yep, it kept on bumping to my keyboard and it was really annoying. So this definitely helps out a lot. So
kind of a 2-in-1 for you.
Yeah.
Setup's finally complete. What is your overall, I guess if you had to pick one thing that you really love about this setup, what would it be? Like one item?
One item? Well, let's say 3, the monitors.
The monitors?
I mean,
okay.
I was stuck with an old Samsung and a 24-inch. What was it?
It was less than 1080p, that's all I know.
So now I get 3 times that, and they're curved.
And they're curved, exactly. I forgot to mention that.
Yeah, I haven't used that yet, but I really want to use it, and it looks really sick.
Cool. So the monitors are the favorite part about the whole setup.
Yeah.
I was gonna say the PC.
I kind of like that too.
The wall art? Okay.
Yeah, the wall art, but I mean, no, the PC, I just like saw the inside. I really didn't see it until now. It's all custom inside, holy crap. No, yeah, I mean, the PC is amazing.
All right, Harry, so my job here is done. I'm glad you enjoyed the setup. I'm asking one thing from you. Please don't be a Philip.
Because I have student loans, I don't know, man.
But yeah, dude, again, enjoy your setup. Any questions, let me know.
Thank you so much.
I'm feeling kind of sad now that I have to leave this, but it's in good hands. I know that much.
You could come by anytime, baby.
All right, guys, so this concludes season 2 of Setup Makeover, the Venom gaming room project. I hope you guys enjoyed the series. If you did, dropping a like would be awesome. It took a very long time planning this and setting everything up, so a simple like would be awesome. If you guys didn't enjoy the series, please leave a dislike as well and leave your constructive criticism in the comments section down below. I do want to give a huge thanks to MSI for sponsoring the series. If you want to learn more about the Venom gaming room project, of course, I'll drop a link to that down below as well. Also guys, every single part used to bring this setup to life will be linked below, so make sure to check that out. And also guys, I'm gonna drop a link to David's channel. He's the person that 3D printed the awesome stuff that you saw in this setup. He's such a talented person, and honestly, without him, I feel like Setup Makeover wouldn't be what it is today. So definitely go check him out, say that Tech Source sent you. David, if you're watching this, honestly, thank you so much, dude. Your 3D printed stuff is amazing. That about does it, guys. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next one.